What if I told you this isn't just a classic Mustang, it's a fully restored, heart-pounding 302 V8 masterpiece that connects the past and the present in every gear shift? Today, we're taking a deep dive into a 1979 Foxbody that doesn't just turn heads, it commands the road. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're stepping into a truly iconic piece of American automotive history, the 1979 Ford Mustang 5.0 Foxbody. This isn't just a car, it's a bridge between eras, a symbol of muscle, style, and raw performance that has captivated enthusiasts for over 4 decades. And let me tell you, this particular Mustang is a masterclass in restoration performance and pure unfiltered driving joy. From the very first glance, you can see why the Foxbody Mustang is legendary. The sleek red exterior commands attention, with every line perfectly flowing from the front bumper to the rear hatch. And it's not just the original charm, this Mustang has been enhanced with a full repaint and upgraded with the front end from a 1985 GT, giving it a more aggressive modern stance while staying true to its classic 1979 roots. Every reflection glimmers off the polished surfaces, showcasing a car that has been cared for, respected, and driven with passion. The 15-inch billet wheels complete the look, wrapped in tires that perfectly balance performance and style, giving the car a planted, confident stance wherever it goes. Slide into the interior and you're met with a cabin that is both authentic and inviting. The gray vinyl with cloth accents keeps the vintage Mustang vibe alive, while thoughtful touches like an Autometer tachometer and the classic T-Tach gauge cluster remind you of the car's performance pedigree. This isn't a car that's all show, it's designed for the driver. Power locks, functional air conditioning, and a working heater make it practical for daily driving. And even the minor sun fading on the rear cargo area plastics adds a layer of authenticity, a nod to the real miles this Mustang has lived. Every element inside this cabin speaks to a balance of comfort, style, and performance, wrapping the driver in an environment that is both nostalgic and functional. But let's get to the heart of this beast. Under the hood sits a rebuilt 302 V8, the lifeblood of this Mustang, tuned for a thrilling driving experience. Equipped with a quick-fuel 4-barrel carburetor, MSD ignition system, and chrome Ford valve covers, this engine doesn't just roar. It commands the road with authority. The chrome details glint in the sunlight, highlighting the care and craftsmanship poured into this restoration. Every component is clean, precise, and performance-ready, offering a driving experience that is both engaging and visceral. Paired with a Borg Warner T5 5-speed manual transmission, this Mustang gives you complete control. Every shift connects you to the car, every gear change a reminder that you're piloting a piece of history that responds instantly to your input. The upgrades don't stop there. Subframe connectors and a rear sway bar improve handling, keeping this classic car composed and confident through every curve, while power steering and front disc brakes paired with rear drums ensure precision stopping power. This is not just a car you admire from afar, it's a car you feel, a car that makes every drive an event, every corner a thrill. And speaking of thrill, imagine cruising down a sunlit boulevard, the rumble of the 302 V8 echoing through the streets, red paint glistening as onlookers can't help but turn their heads. This Mustang isn't just a car, it's a statement. It's a declaration that classic American muscle isn't a thing of the past, it's alive, refined, and ready for those who demand both performance and style. The Foxbody Mustang represents a pivotal moment in Ford's history, the dawn of the third generation, blending aerodynamic styling with pure, unadulterated muscle. What's even more remarkable is the balance of preservation and innovation. The tasteful upgrades, like the 85 GT front end, subframe connectors, and modern handling enhancements, ensure this Mustang is not just show-ready, but driver-ready. You can park it at a car show and have it admired, but take it for a spin on the open road and it comes alive in a way that few restored classics can match. Every detail, from the chrome valve covers to the well-kept vinyl interior, tells a story of a car that's cherished, maintained, and understood. And the best part, despite the careful restoration, upgrades, and undeniable presence, this Mustang comes at just $17,995. A rare opportunity to own a true legend without compromise. For collectors, enthusiasts, and those who simply crave the visceral thrill of a classic American muscle car, this Foxbody Mustang represents a rare combination of value, performance, and timeless appeal. Owning this Mustang is more than just owning a car. It's about stepping into history, feeling the thrill of an era when muscle ruled the streets, and experiencing the connection between driver and machine in its purest form. From the roar of the V8 to the crisp, precise shifts of the manual transmission, from the gleaming red paint to the vintage-inspired interior, every aspect of this Mustang is designed to evoke emotion, excitement, and admiration. So whether you're a collector looking for a showpiece, an enthusiast seeking an engaging drive, or someone who simply appreciates the timeless appeal of American muscle, the 1979 Ford Mustang 5.0 Foxbody is calling your name. Don't just watch history, drive it, live it, and make it yours. This isn't just a Mustang, it's a legacy. And for those who understand the thrill of driving, there's no experience quite like it. This is more than steel and paint. It's muscle, it's style, it's emotion, and it's waiting for the right person to take the wheel. Are you ready?